Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Coinbase REST API tokens step by step clearly. To authenticate with Coinbase REST API tokens, you first need to create an account on Coinbase. After signing in, navigate to the API settings in your account dashboard. Click on the API tab to access the API management section. Click on the New API Key button to generate a new key. Select the permissions you need for your API key, depending on your intended actions. Once you've set the permissions, click Create API Key to generate your token. Make sure to save your API secret in a secure location, as you won't be able to view it again. Your API key and secret will now be displayed in the API management section. Next, prepare your development environment by installing any required libraries for making HTTP requests. Use a language of your choice, such as Python or JavaScript, to interact with the Coinbase API. When you make an API request, include your API key in the headers to authenticate. Add the timestamp and signature header for added security. Construct your request using the Coinbase API endpoint you wish to access. Make sure to include all required parameters as specified in the Coinbase API documentation. Once your request is set up, execute it to test the authentication process. Check the response from the API to confirm whether your authentication was successful. If successful, you will receive a response containing the data or confirmation of the action you requested. In case of any errors, review your API key, secret, and permissions carefully. Troubleshoot any issues by referring to the Coinbase API documentation for guidance. Once authenticated, you can now start building your application with Coinbase services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.